Sri Lanka has many moving parts. You have the young and the old. You have Buddhists, you have Christians, Muslims, Hindus. You have Sinhalese, Tamil, Malays, Burghers, Muslims. You can't live in isolation. All of us are connected. And you see that today. You're seated alongside your peers. And all of them are just like you, with hopes and dreams and ambitions. And you have a responsibility towards each other to ensure that along with your own success, you make sure that someone else succeeds along with you. I would like all of you to join me in one small exercise. Can you all see me? Yeah? How many fingers? 5. Your faculty has done a great job. 5. Right? Now, take for imagine only one part of our country, one moving part of our country. Right? Let's forget the thumb. Let's start with just the 4 fingers. Right? One moving part. Right? Use the other hand. Just one moving part, all of you together. Come on. Whether it's just the Sinhalese race, whether it's just the Buddhists. This is one. Another part of our society, another part of our country. Right? That's 2. Yeah? Now add a third. Now add every part of our country working together. Come on. Do you hear that noise? That is the noise of what Sri Lanka sounds like when we all work together. And that is a great part of your responsibility. Forget what people before you have done. Just make sure that when you have the opportunity to address a generation that follows, that you have ensured that Sri Lanka, all of Sri Lanka, combined together, celebrates as one.